Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can transfer Google Play money to a bank account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Transferring Google Play funds to another account is not easy since your Google Play balance is inherently tied to your specific Google account. There is no official method for relocating this balance to a different account or withdrawing it to a bank account, but we can try resending a request. So go to your Google Play Store, tap on your profile picture from the top right corner. Here tap on the Help and Feedback option. Now from here go to the Contact Us option. Now in the Help section, type Google Play balance, select the description as transfer account content, specify your area of need as Google Play apps, then go to the next step. Now wait for the team to contact you back as you can't directly withdraw money. So that's basically how you can transfer Google Play money to a bank account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.